Spending thousands of dollars and taking on big renovation projects isn't the only way to get more money for your home. Today, I'm going to show you exactly where you can spend your hard-earned money and get 10 times the returns when selling your home. So let's get started. Hey everyone, it's Gourav Khatri here, and I'm a real estate broker here in Mississauga and the surrounding areas of the Greater Toronto area. And if you're in the market and need some guidance, you can book an intro call with me by clicking the link in the description down below. Now let's get to it. Investment number 1. Paint. Faded, cracked, and peeling paint will immediately give an impression that the house is not being cared for, making the buyers wonder what other defects the home could have. Even if your house is relatively new or has been painted in the last 5 years, it can definitely benefit from a fresh coat of paint. When considering painting, most people only think about painting the interiors, but the exterior is just as important because the exterior creates the first impression of the home. If the exterior is in good condition, you may want to consider color of things like the garage door, the front door, and the trim. On the other hand, painting the interiors can give your home a fresh and clean look and can also help highlight some very specific features. Buyers are usually particular about the entrance, the kitchen, and the bathroom areas. Paint trends change frequently, and if you have a few rooms with bold colors or a funky exterior, then it may not give a move-in ready feel to the buyer. If a buyer has to repaint the home before or after moving in, it may be the difference between selling and not selling your home. So make sure to avoid bright and bold colors. The best colors to paint when selling are usually neutral colors like egg white or light gray. It gives the buyers a blank canvas, allowing them to visualize their furnishings and decor without repainting. Investment number 2. Declutter. Before making a purchase, buyers judge the potential of a home by picturing themselves living in it. But if there are things covering the floor or the countertops, it can make the home look cluttered and overwhelming. The home may seem cozy to you, but it's your job to create an environment for the buyers to see the true potential of the home. A great place to start is the kitchen. Check your cupboards and cabinets and get rid of anything that you do not need anymore. Same goes for your surfaces. If there are any appliances that you haven't used in a while, pack them away. Anything that can be removed from your countertops will create more spaciousness. Additionally, remove all photos and magnets from the fridge. When it comes to hallways, if there is anything that you can live without, such as coats, shoes, artwork, umbrellas, dog leashes, or toys, you can either donate it or pack it away. Same goes for the living room. If there are any out-of-place items such as pillows on the floor, paper, and books lying around, either put them in their rightful place or store them away. Bedrooms and bathrooms are just as important. You need to clean the clutter and organize your cupboards and drawers. Get rid of any old, used, or broken things such as hangers, used toiletries, etc. Make sure to clear the countertops and surfaces to create spaciousness. There are 3 things you can do with all the home clutter: donate it, throw it away, or pack and store it until the home is sold. If you do not have space to store, I would highly recommend renting out a storage space temporarily. Make sure to comment down below which of these investments you think is the most important from a buyer's perspective. Investment number 3. Curb appeal. Before a buyer even steps into your home, they've already created a first impression in their mind. And that's why having a good curb appeal makes a huge difference when looking to sell. You can start off by replacing old hardware such as house numbers, door handle, mailbox, and overhead light fixtures. All these elements add style and interest to your home. But if they're old and in bad condition, then it can take away from the aesthetic look that you're trying to create. While you're at it, make sure to apply a fresh coat of paint to these elements as well. Same goes for your steps and porch. Repair or replace the missing stairs and railings. When it comes to the greens, remove the wild weeds and trim the overgrown shrubs. Add some mulch and plant some flowers to restore the color in your garden. Get your home professionally landscaped along with making sure that your driveway and walkways are clean. Create a welcoming entrance by placing a large pot filled with bright plants near the front. If you do have some additional space, you can spruce up your front porch by putting some weather-resistant furniture such as a chair and a small table. Investment number 4. Repairs. A home inspection reveals many hidden defects about your home that you were unaware of. That's why I highly recommend getting a pre-listing home inspection done in order to discover the property conditions before a buyer even walks to that door. Once you know those problems, shop around for contractors to have them fixed professionally. Make sure to keep the receipts in order to show what kind of repairs have been made. This will prevent the buyers from subtracting thousands of dollars for what could have been a few $100s worth of repairs. Having a most recent pre-listing home inspection report handy will not only demonstrate your trustworthiness as a seller, but also set your listing apart from the others. Best of all, the likelihood of your deal falling through reduces as the buyers already know what they're getting into before making an offer to purchase. purchase, and instead you increase the possibility of attracting multiple offers. On the other hand, as a seller, it gives you realistic expectations on pricing your home. If you know that your home needs a new $12,000 roof, you could in fact just price your home accordingly. Investment number 5, professional cleaning. The better your home looks, the more it will impress potential buyers. Before any buyer even walks through that door, you should make sure your home looks clean inside and out. The last thing you want is a buyer being disgusted by something like a dirty oven or a dirty carpet. In order to save a few $100s, many people choose to clean the home themselves, but everyone has a different idea of what clean is. To you, a little dust or a couple dishes in the sink may be okay, but a potential buyer may want every surface gleaming, and that's where professional cleaning comes into place. They have a certain standard and a checklist of things to clean in order to make sure that they don't miss anything. Your professional cleaners should definitely target all countertops, clean the inside and outside of appliances such as stoves, ovens, refrigerators, and dishwashers. They should also clean the bathtubs, sinks, showers, and toilet bowls, and most definitely the fixtures such as the taps and shower heads. Ask your cleaners to remove the cracking caulk and reapply a new one, as it will give your bathrooms a fresh, new feeling. All the mirrors in the home should be sparkly clean, as it will give the appearance of more light and larger space. Apart from cleaning and dusting the walls and the furniture, the flooring should be broomed and mopped, and in case of carpets, they should be cleaned with a carpet cleaner, not just a vacuum cleaner. I hope you all got some value from this video. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you are looking into buying or selling real estate in Mississauga or the surrounding areas of the GTA, please feel free to contact me directly or book a call with me using the information in the description down below. And make sure to check out this video.